Now, China's airline industry is consolidating, with China Eastern and Shanghai Air merging to control half of flights in and out of Shanghai, which, by the way, is the country's commercial center. The move comes as the government pushes for M&As across industries to boost competitiveness. Let's get some perspective from Ali Ma, aviation analyst at Citigroup. She joins us from Hong Kong. Ali, China's airline industry, if you take a look at it, it isn't reeling from the financial meltdown the way its international rivals are. Some suggesting even a 17% increase in domestic travel. So why the need for consolidation in the industry in the first place?
Yeah, there are actually several reasons behind this government-initiated consolidation between China Eastern and Shanghai Airlines. The most direct reason is because China Eastern as well as Shanghai Airlines has been experiencing huge losses for years. And for example, China Eastern, its book value has been eroded into negative. And also Shanghai Airlines, both of these two companies are unable to raise more capital from the equity market anymore, and their gearing are extremely high. So to avoid the bankruptcy of a major air carrier in China, the government has to do something with these two companies, and the merger between the two makes sense. Because their combined market share in Shanghai is going to be increased to 50%. So these two companies can have a bigger economic benefit from the commercial center by reducing competition between themselves, and also reduce a lot of costs, overlapping routes, as well as currently very fragmented competition in this market.
So China Eastern, Shanghai Air obviously will gain from the tie-up. Air China, though, some say now has no chance whatsoever of survival in the Shanghai market. Is that a view you share as well?
Oh, I think after the merger, China Eastern and Shanghai Airlines will become the biggest player. They have been, but previously they were just, the competition was very, very stiff. So after the acquisition, the merger between the two, this is going to change.
So should Air China just abandon its plans for Shanghai?
Air China has, as everybody knows, has for a long time great ambition for Shanghai market, because its market cap in Shanghai is as low as 11%, and for international routes, Air China still have very, very limited exposure. So I think this combination of Eastern and Shanghai Airlines is going to be a major blow to Air China's ambition for Shanghai.
So what should it do? Just pull out of the market or do more? What do you think it should do?
After the failure of the acquisition of China Eastern, or the bidding for China Eastern a year ago, Air China has started to move into Shanghai in a more proactive way by adding a headquarters in Shanghai, and have been able to be granted a few routes starting from Shanghai to domestic, international, including Taiwan routes. But this is going to be a very, very slow and long progress to increase its exposure in Shanghai. So my gut feeling is Air China, of course, is going to be feel very uneasy about the potential merger.
Ali, take us through your stock picks for the airline sector.
Currently, we are quite positive on China aviation sector. Beijing Airport and China Southern are our topics in the sector. We also have buy recommendation on the country's biggest online air tickets wholesale platform, which is Travel Sky.
All right, Ali Ma, Citigroup, thank you so much for your insights this morning.